Hey everyone, welcome back to the Friendly Statistician. Today I'm going to show you one of those deceptively simple but super useful tricks in Power BI, how to change the calculation from count to sum in your visuals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of how to control how your numbers are totaled up, which can make your reports much more insightful and meaningful. Whether you're tracking sales, analyzing survey responses, or just tidying up your dashboards, knowing how to switch between counting and summing is essential. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's open up Power BI. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, it's pretty user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Go ahead and launch Power BI and open up your report or dataset. For the sake of this demo, I have a sample table already loaded, but you can follow along with your own dataset, maybe it's sales figures, customer transactions, or anything numeric. Now take a look at your fields panel. You're going to want to focus on the field that you'd like to aggregate. For this example, I'll use sales amount. This is a really common scenario. Let's say you want to see the total amount of sales, not just a count of how many transactions there are. Click and drag your sales amount field into the values area of a visual. This could be a table, a card, a chart, or any visual where you want to display summarized data. When you do this, Power BI by default might display a count, especially if it thinks your field includes text or if it just tries to guess how you want to see your data. Don't worry if you see count of sales amount pop up, we're about to fix that. Now here in the key step, look over to the values area where you just added your field. You'll notice a little drop-down arrow next to the field's name. It might be easy to miss if you're new, but it's there. Click that arrow. This is where Power BI lets you control how the number is being calculated for that visual. You'll see options like count, sum, average, minimum, and more. For our purpose, you want to select sum. Go ahead and click on it. What this does is tell Power BI to add up all the numbers in the sales amount field rather than just counting how many entries there are. This subtle change is super important. Just think about the difference. If you're running a business, seeing you had 150 sales is interesting, sure, but seeing that the total sales revenue was $42,000 gives you a whole lot more insight. If for some reason sum isn't available or it's still grayed out, double-check that your field is truly numeric. Text fields can't be summed, so maybe there's a data type issue that needs a quick fix. These things happen, so don't stress, it's all part of working with data, and that's really it. You've now successfully changed your calculation from a simple count to a sum in Power BI. This tiny adjustment gives your data the context it needs and turns your visuals into real decision-making tools. If the change doesn't look right at first, just double-click or refresh your visual. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds for updates to show. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping out. And of course, hit subscribe for more friendly tutorials on making the most out of your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.